let's take a moment to reflect on love, peace, and happiness. Get yourself settled into a cozy position. Feel free to choose your preferred position, whether it's sitting cross-legged on the floor, seated in a chair, or lying down. Do what feels most comfortable for you. It's important to stay focused and present. Let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths, allowing ourselves to relax and rejuvenate. Take a moment to notice the gentle breeze entering your nostrils. Allow your chest to expand and then softly let go. Taking regular breaths in between. Take a deep breath. Just let it go gradually. Let your mind and body relax as you start to let go of any stress or tension. Take another deep breath. I can totally relate to that feeling overwhelmed and anxious. Take a moment to inhale and exhale, sensing it with your sense of smell. Inhaling deeply, and then allow the air to escape. And then just keep your cool, casual, typical way of breathing. As you get comfortable, we acknowledge the current moment and direct our attention to the present. We understand that the past exists solely in our recollections. Let's think about what lies ahead. The fleeting nature of the present moment is where we find ourselves and where we desire to be at this very instant. As you keep up with your relaxed and natural breathing, let your mind gently concentrate on the gentle airflow in and out of your nose, or the gentle movement of your chest. Our breath and our heartbeat serve as constant reminders of the steady flow of time. Gently reminding us of our place within the vastness of the universe. It's not something to be anxious about, but rather a gentle realization of our smallness in this vast cosmos. We understand ourselves as distinct individuals, but we are interconnected with all living beings in the natural world. We are surrounded by the vast expanse of the cosmos, with stars, planets, and galaxies stretching out in every direction. Appreciate the true essence of beauty. Isn't it amazing, the beauty that surrounds you, and still able to breathe comfortably? Start to sense the fullness of your being within your surroundings. You might experience some gentle tingling sensations in different parts of your body. You might find that your nerve endings become more sensitive to your surroundings. Every little detail, from the faintest sound to the brightness of the room, the texture of the objects you're touching, or even the way you're sitting will be within your awareness. However, there's no need for you to become overly fixated on them. Just make sure to be fully present and savor every aspect of this moment. Let's take a moment to embrace the feeling of love and peace, breathing gently and calmly. Let's have you mentally repeat a few basic phrases while we count down from 5 to 1. Just take a moment to silently repeat these words in your mind while staying fully present and aware of everything around you. Simply repeat these words slowly in your mind while maintaining a complete and unbiased awareness of your surroundings. 5. Love and peace. 4. Presence and contentment. 3. Love and peace. 2. Presence and contentment. And finally 1. Love and peace. Great. Now you may feel twice as calm, twice as comfortable, and twice as aware. And you'll feel that love for all things deep within you. Now, we will repeat the same process, focusing on each number separately. Just allow yourself to become twice as focused and twice as relaxed with every single number. 5. I feel love and peace. 4. I feel presence and contentment. 3. I feel love and peace. 2. I feel presence and contentment. And finally 1. I feel love and peace. We frequently discuss the concept of happiness. Our ultimate goal is to reach a state of mind called happiness. Instead, think about contentment as the core of happiness. A feeling that can be quite powerful. It's amazing how happiness can come and go in the most surprising moments. It can be quite frustrating when our pursuit of happiness seems to be in vain. However, maintaining a consistent state of mindfulness can lead to long-term satisfaction. There is a deep and gentle happiness that remains present in every aspect of life. It helps us stay connected during times of great success or good fortune, as well as navigate through times of tragedy and pain. One can cultivate a profound sense of awareness and, in turn, develop a deep love for others as well as oneself and the world at large. Love is something that sets us apart as human beings. It's truly wonderful to be able to acknowledge and express love for others. Expressing love within ourselves is a positive step towards finding peace in a world that is constantly filled with disruptions. As you keep on absorbing these thoughts and ideas, fully aware of the present moment and your surroundings, take a moment to embrace this experience and silently repeat after me once again. After you're done, don't forget to grab a few quick new phrases to take along. I wholeheartedly embrace love. I wholeheartedly embrace love. I am a strong advocate for peace. I am a strong advocate for peace. I find great joy in being content. find great joy in being content. I wholeheartedly welcome happiness. I wholeheartedly welcome happiness. I fully embrace the present moment. I fully embrace the present moment. That's great. We're almost done with this session. Now you can choose to either keep meditating for a few more minutes with a soothing background music, get ready to resume your day, or even drift off to sleep if you feel ready. Alright, just say these words one more time as we wrap things up. Spread love